Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make Campbell's mushroom soup. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You will need 1 standard can of Campbell's condensed cream of mushroom soup. Next, prepare 1 full can of either milk or water, which you will use to dilute the soup. Finally, make sure you have a medium-sized saucepan and a whisk readily available. These simple items are all you need to begin crafting your warm, comforting soup. Now let's get to mixing. Carefully open your can of condensed cream of mushroom soup and pour its entire contents into your medium saucepan. Then, using the empty soup can, measure out 1 full can of milk or water. Slowly add this liquid to the soup in the saucepan, whisking continuously. Continue to whisk until the mixture is completely smooth and there are no lumps. Place the saucepan on your stove top over medium-low heat. As your soup heats, bring it to a gentle simmer. It is important not to let the soup come to a rolling boil, as this can affect its texture and flavor. Stir the soup occasionally to ensure even heating and prevent sticking to the bottom of the pan. Continue heating for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, or until the soup is thoroughly hot. Once heated, remove from the stove and serve your delicious soup immediately in individual bowls. To elevate your classic mushroom soup, consider a few simple enhancements. A dash of freshly ground black pepper can significantly boost its savory notes. For a touch of freshness and visual appeal, sprinkle some finely chopped fresh herbs such as parsley or chives just before serving. If you desire an even richer, creamier texture, stir in a spoonful of sour cream or a splash of heavy cream. Now, sit back and savor your perfectly prepared, comforting mushroom soup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.